Hello team, welcome to QuipoIn. In today's video, we will discuss about a class tag in a HTML. The HTML class attribute or class tag, it is used to specify a single or a multiple class names for an HTML element. The class name can be used by CSS and JavaScript to do some task for a HTML element. This is about a class introduction. Next is the key points. The class names in a HTML should be case sensitive. It can be used in any tag, and there should be many classes of a same name in a one HTML page, and there should be many classes on a single web page. Okay, now let us discuss about an example of a class attribute. Now in body I am taking H2. I am giving a this is heading. Next I am taking one paragraph element. Inside this I am using lorem. Okay. Next I am taking another heading, that is this is another heading. Inside that I am taking, after that I am taking another paragraph tag. Inside that I am taking one lorem with 20 words. Okay. Now save this and open it in a web browser. See, now we got like this. If I want to change the color of this is a heading, for that, or if I want to change the color of this text, for that I want to use a CSS. There are three ways to write a CSS in a HTML file. We will discuss about all those three rules in a CSS classes, but I am telling one method here. For that we are using a style tag. Style inside the head element. Okay. Now I want to change the color of H2. That is, this is a heading. For that I am giving a H2. This is a selector. Next I am giving a color as a brown. Now save this and open it in a web browser. See, I want to change the color of this is a heading only, but the color of this is another heading is also changed. For that, inside the H2 I am using a class is equals to, I am giving a heading 1. Next here I am changing it dot, that class name should be heading 1 I am giving. Now save this, open it in a web browser. See, here only this is changed. That is, this turned to brown. This is not changed. For this, the class attribute is used. Okay. If I want to change the color of a paragraph, we can give another one class here. That is, I am giving whatever the name you should give, lines. If I want to change this, then I should use inside this, I am giving a dot lines. For this, we should give a dot. It will indicate the class and its name. Next, inside that, I am giving color. I am giving a color to blue. Now, this paragraph color should be changed to blue. Only this paragraph color should be changed to blue. This is all about a class attribute in a HTML. Like this only. Next is a ID attribute. For here, we are given a class. No, like this only we should give a ID. Okay. The ID attribute is used to specify the unique ID for an element of a HTML document. It allocates the unique identifier which is used by the CSS and the JavaScript for performing a certain task. Here we got a ID. This is about a introduction. Next is a key points. Here ID names are also case sensitive, but the ID should be unique. The class, compared to class, the class is not unique. The ID should be unique. Now let us discuss about an example of a ID. Here I am giving a ID. Then here also I am given a ID should be heading 1. So I will change here. In ID, the hash is used. Hash. Now, save this. Open it in a web browser. See, here its functionality should be same as the class. Here this color should be changed to, this is a heading is changed to brown only. The functionality of both class and ID is same. The ID can be used in a JavaScript and a scrolling, but the classes are mainly used for a styling purpose. In HTML, web pages can be write more than one class. See, here in HTML, we can write more than one classes. For this, I can write a class. For paragraph, I can write. For this also can I write the class. But the ID should be unique. But it is not a rule that ID should be unique only. Here, if I give a ID, that is lines, then give this lines, then color should be changed to yellow. See. Here I say the see, it is changed. It is same functionality of that class only. We can give two IDs only, but this is not a rule, but it is used for a developer convenience. The developers they will use a ID two times. They can write a multiple classes, but they can't write a IDs. It is not a rule, but it is for their convenience. They will not repeat the ID. This is all about a class and ID in a HTML. In next tutorial, we will discuss about the iframe in HTML. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Java full stack, you can visit our website, follow our website, that is QuipoIn.com. Thank you.